What's good with it, y'all? It's your boy. I'm back again with another video. Today we're kind of just gonna review the sounds of the exhaust on my 2021 Mustang GT. Yesterday I didn't get to record it, but I had a friend of mine named Johnny S197 let me come over and he helped me out with installing an X pipe on my car. So the car sounds really good. I'm running a Roush X pipe with stock mufflers, so it's not too loud, but you know, it ups the volume a little bit, and it has a little bit of backfires to it. It's pretty cool. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit notifications for your boy, and comment if you can. Let's get into it. Woo! Look how clean the paint is looking. I'm low-key scared to wash it. I don't want to like scratch it up or anything. Look at it. Still running the stock wheels on it too. Let's see if I can kind of show you guys the X pipe. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it. Running that Roush X pipe. It was a pretty easy process with getting it in. Just a cut and clamp. We ended up having to take the whole cat back off in order to properly cut it and measure everything that we're doing. Let me go ahead and get a nice little startup in. Listen to its idle. Like I said, it's not like super duper loud, obviously, because I'm running the stock mufflers, but its idle sounds really nice. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna get a couple of little revs in for you guys. Some 3K revs. I'm not gonna rev it up too high because I'm still breaking in the motor. I'm already 600 miles into it, into the break-in. My goal is to get it up to 10,000 without dogging it, which is very hard to do. And that's just the Resonator delete. That's all it really is. I haven't done anything major to the car yet. I'm still kind of just settling down after getting it. But my first goal with this car is to make it sound good. I don't really care much about looks right now. Obviously the car, it looks really good, and you can obviously tell I just bought the car. So I'm not really tripping off of the wheels yet. The wheels are still, like, the tires are really good still, and they have a lot of life. So I'm not really too much focused on changing out the wheels just yet. I kind of want to burn those out a little bit. But as you guys can see, it sounds really good. I'm gonna go ahead and get some clips of show you guys some clips of what it sounds like on the interior. All right, here's the powder. We're gonna try to shift it with one hand, see how it goes. It's not super loud on the interior, which is really good. But I'm pretty sure once I upgrade the axle backs, it'll be a lot louder than this. All right, here we go. Let's wait for this train to go by. All right, here we go. Sounds super crisp. It's really high pitched due to the stock mufflers, but like I said, once I put some upgraded axle backs on here, it'll sound super nice. All right. yeah, we one hand driving. So hopefully that sounded really nice. I'm gonna for sure look back at the video and see what it sounds like as I'm driving down, because I only heard what it sounds like, you know, revving it on the outside, but I didn't hear what it sounds like, you know, driving away. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We kind of just showing off my first mod to the 2021 Mustang GT. This car is gonna be sounding really nice when I'm done with it. I can't wait to finish working on this car. I have a lot of plans with this car on making it look really clean, and I kind of plan on slamming this car pretty low, so it's gonna be pretty clean. All right guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, it's a quick video just kind of showing off the first mod that I did to the car. It's not a major, like, you know, modification. I had to kind of spice it up a little bit, make it a little louder. I'm gonna try to put in like my next video, I'm gonna do a nice little cold start for you guys. But this car's cold start sounds crazy. Like, it sounds like in the beginning, like right when you start it, it's like an explosion. It's just like, whoa, like it is so loud. I need to get a video. Once I get a video for you guys, I'm gonna upload that on like a short, up on the short feed or something. But it sounds amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit notifications for your boy, and comment down in the comment section if you guys can. Your boy out. Peace.